One company that benefits from a strong housing market is Home Depot. The home improvement retailer saw profits and sales rise, but investors are still concerned that the chain can't yet account for all the possible losses from a recent massive credit card data breach. Home Depot shares were the biggest decliners in the Dow today, falling 2%. Courtney Reagan has more on Home Depot's earnings and what's next for the retailer.
The world's largest home improvement retailer turning in a mixed third quarter, but analysts aren't worried. Home Depot's earnings missed expectations by a penny as the retailer tries to determine the total cost of the recent data breach. Revenues matched estimates, and sales at U.S. stores open at least a year grew by nearly 6%.
I'd say there aren't many retailers right now who are putting up a combination of growth in-store traffic, growth in online, and gross margin expansion, along with SG&A leverage. These are all factors were featured in Home Depot's report, and we think that continues.
While the housing market has certainly had some level of recovery, there is data to suggest it may be slowing. But Home Depot's new CEO, Craig Menear, said the company continues to see a recovering home improvement market in the U.S., noting rising home prices and home turnover as drivers of growth. Home Depot has accounted for $28 million in expenses related to the data breach, where hackers stole details from 56 million payment cards and 53 million email addresses. However, the ultimate cost will likely be millions more. The pay for individuals working around the clock on fixing this problem hasn't yet been captured, and the company disclosed 44 lawsuits have been filed as a result of the breach. But fortunately for Home Depot, the shoppers appear to be less scarred than shoppers at Target after the discounter announced a breach late last year. In fact, Home Depot is pleased with results so far this month.
The company remarked that they saw impressive results in November to date, and that suggests that, at least over the last few weeks, consumers have been out feeling confident spending, and I think that probably bodes well for the holiday.
The largest seller of Christmas trees in the world says it's ready for the holiday season, stocked with an assortment of gift items and holiday decor. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Courtney Reagan.